Unit 8. Where's Grandma? Rooms vocabulary. Kitchen, kitchen. Living room, living room. Dining room, dining room. Bedroom, bedroom. Bathroom, bathroom. Garden, garden. Upstairs, upstairs. Downstairs, downstairs. House, house. Flat, flat. Front door, front door. Structure. Look and say, "Where's Grandma?" She's in the dining room. Is she in the kitchen? No, she isn't. Where are Dad and Harry? They're in the dining room too. Are they in the living room? No, they aren't. Quiz time. Let's test your memory. What is this? It's a kitchen. What is this? It's a bedroom. What is this? It's a dining room. What is this? It's a living room. What is this? It's a bathroom. What is this? It's a garden. Where is this? It's upstairs. Where is this? It's downstairs. What is this? It's a house. What is this? It's a flat. What is this? It's the front door. Where's Tom? He's in the bedroom. Where are Mum and Dad? They're in the kitchen. Where are Tom's sister and brother? They're in the dining room. Where's Grandma? She's in the dining room too. Is Tom in the bathroom? No, he isn't. Are Mum and Dad in the kitchen? Yes, they are. Where is the living room? It's downstairs. Where is the kitchen? It's downstairs. Where is the dining room? It's downstairs. Where are the bedrooms? They're upstairs. Where are the bathrooms? They're upstairs.